Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk to you about this vintage radio. It is a National model R305B. It was made in 1965. It is the Taiwanese version. It weighs about 1 kilograms. It is 12.5 centimeters wide by 8 centimeters height by 4 centimeters depth. It has two switches, one for bands and this one for tone, plus a volume control. This is for tuning and this is for shortwave fine tuning. It has a telescopic antenna. It operates with both 110 to 220 AC volt. It operates with 3 by 1.5 batteries. It also has a socket for earphones. I'm afraid the medium wave here is not very clear in my city because of mobile antennas and because of also I'm living in a condo with a lot of water boosted motors, so these distorted the sound. This is a 12 transistors radio, and this of course was before the invention of the IC, integrated circuit. The more transistors the radio has, the better it is. This was before the invention of IC. And now it's time to listen to what it sounds like. Assalamu الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل من السماء ماء. صدق الله العظيم. الحمد لله. اسمك ايه؟ زين عندك كم سنة؟ عندي 7 سنين. زين سنتين. زين انت سنتين. 3 سنين. يعني عندك تتحط مدرسة؟ من أكتر حاجة بتحب تتحط؟ ليه بتحب أكل؟ عشان هو غالبا. And this was the end of our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. See you on a new video with a new product. Bye for now.